Hello YouTube Vintage Stereo Collectors. This is actually two videos in one. I'm testing out this Kenwood KA2000. It was the long series that I just did. The newly painted lid on it. Boy, it looks great. Reminds me kind of a Sansui AU222 in that color. The original wood grain metal applique just didn't hold up well in the Kenwoods. So I painted it this color, just kind of something different because so many I've done black or brown. Anyway, I'm testing out this. This just arrived. It's one of these KLH Model 18s. You know, I used to see these fairly often 20 years ago. They were really popular. So was the little matching amp. And I think that was a Model 14. It's been a while. I'm just going to turn it on. This is like untested, first time plugged in and turned on. Well, I guess we have to turn on the amp, don't we?
The party that they're in, and so
Put it in stereo mode, that's a little better. That actually sounds really good. That's more like it. No stations up there. All I can say about these is it was amazing. This is when solid state first came out, mid to late 60s, just like the Kenwood KA2000. And the first ones weren't that big. The idea with solid state was that you were getting a smaller package, but the same performance as a tube amp. And these two are kind of cool together. I actually have a realistic, what's it, SA101 I just picked up at a flea market too. That's another small amp. But I'm going to listen to this just in the shop here for a little while and make sure it's all good. As far as the KLH goes, what I remember on the last one I did, which is a few years ago, because I was living, that's 3 houses back, filter capacitors were these Roberts caps. They're sort of a long black cap with a lead that comes out the top. You know what I'm talking about. They're from that vintage. They used to be in different products. They last a long time, but they dramatically drop in value. And I noticed a little bit of hum in between stations. That might be that. So I'm going to take it apart, and then we'll start looking at this small KLH Model 18. Thanks for watching and listening.